There's a 747 departing from O'Hare, and it's a beautiful February night. One of the warmest nights we've had pretty much in months. So of course I'm going to be out taking advantage of the beautiful weather. And we've got apparently something neat in here. If it's open. And it is. Phew. Okay, I was not too late. 401 South Milwaukee. This is a neat interior. Pull. Why do they have a push bar? Oh, this is a very retro building. Here we are, look at this. Oh, there's the elevator. It's an automatic elevator. Interesting layout. And it's glass. Automatic, up to 2. This literally just looks like it's looking out into like somebody's backyard or something. It does not look like, this literally just feels like it's a house. It's funny. Oh, look at this building. Well, this is just awesome. Look, there's a plane coming in or out of Milwaukee. This is just such an awesome building. Look at this. Very neat. Right back down. We'll take a couple rides. This thing is awesome. Get a good look here. Atrium office. I wonder if the indicator works. Yes, it does. We'll watch the, well, the arrow does at least. We'll watch the indicator. And the indicator is burnt out. Take one more ride. Oh, the green, oh yeah, the green arrow does work. It's slow on the leveling, but wow, I love this architecture here. This is I love these kinds of small little professional office buildings. You know what, can we actually go outside and look at the elevator? Yes, we can. Let's put this rock in the door and we'll go look at the elevator from outside. Get a unique view of it. Literally feels like this is just a backyard. Ooh, squishy. There it is. Literally just tacked onto the side here. Anyway, that's it.